Halo guys, ini channel VV Motion. Dengan aplikasi VN di HP, kalian bisa gabung-gabungin foto menjadi video dan mengikuti beat lagu. Untuk yang sudah biasa menggunakan VN, berikut tabelnya. Dan untuk kalian yang belum pernah, boleh klik link di deskripsi ataupun di akhir video ini untuk tutorial lengkapnya.
I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Love when we take our time to make love. Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being too much. You got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being so. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute.
Oke, sekian dulu video tutorial dari aku. Kalau kalian ingin aku bikinin tutorial dengan lagu lain, silahkan tulis di komen ya. Akhir kata, jangan lupa support aku ya guys, dengan cara like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you guys, see you!